Hi, my today's topic is little hatke. Today I'm going to talk about some habits or mistakes we which we should avoid or stop doing immediately to be a good communicator. Okay? So we all want to be a good communicator. There's no doubt about it, right? We all want to be, you know, a very good presenter, a very good communicator, and we all aspire to be, of course, but it is not easy. Well, we can communicate well, which is, everybody can communicate well if they can practice it, they can communicate well. But it's just that, there are few things which we need to consider or understand while we are communicating. So that is why my today's topic is we have to some habits we have to stop right away if we want to be a good communicator. On that note, please subscribe, like, and share my videos for more and more co- content. Okay, coming back to the video. The first habit is don't speak fast. When you're communicating in English, see, understand, English is not our mother tongue, right? It's not which we are born with and everybody talks in English and everybody understands. So we all have different level of understanding and listening and of English. So that is why we cannot be very fast. We have to be at our own pace. We don't have to be very slow, but we have to be very sure that when we are communicating or when we are talking in English, the other person can understand. So that is why I am talking about that we shouldn't be very fast in talking in English, so that the other person is not able to understand. So that is what we have to take care of. This is the first mistake. The second mistake which we do is we try to use complex sentences. हम बहुत लंबे लंबे बड़े बड़े sentences use करना चाहते हैं which we think it will give a good impression to others, but no, that doesn't give a good impression, right? When you speak simple sentences, छोटे sentences में आप बात करोगे, that will be more clear to others. Okay, that will bring more clarity to your thought process or your communication. So that is why you have to always use simple sentences and short sentences. This is the second tip. The third one is always complete your sentence. Don't leave it to others to understand. Okay, so when I'm speaking, like if I say you communicate very well, but that's it. I am just giving a fill in the blanks that you fill it up. What is your drawback? That is not the way you communicate. If you're saying something to others, okay, for example, I'm saying, oh, you're a good communicator, but you have to be a little slow. So this is the sentence which I've completed, which the other person also knows and understands. If I leave that sentence in between and say, like you can fill in the blanks, that doesn't make any sense. The other person can make any sense out of it, which necessarily not be your view on that. So that is why please complete your sentence and don't leave it to others to fill in the blanks. This is another mistake. The last one is ask people when you're talking to people. Okay, when you're talking to 3 or 4 people or whoever in a group, or you're talking to some individual, always after some time just try to understand if they are understanding you or not. Ask questions like, is it clear to you, or do you want to know anything else, or these type of questions you have to ask, so that that the person you are communicating with is understanding what you're trying to say. That is very important. So make sure you ask them whether they have understood your point or not. That is also another thing which is we should start doing, so that we avoid to be misunderstood. So guys, these are the 4 points which you have to understand and remember while communicating. This will help you to be a good communicator, and these are the mistakes which we all do at some point of time, and that is why people, misunderstand us or don't understand us. So the purpose of communication basically for us should be whatever we are speaking, whatever we are saying to whoever should understand us very clearly and loudly and clearly. The message has to be loud and clear. So that is why these are the 4 points which we have to consider while we are speaking or while we are communicating. So this will help us in improving our communication skills as well. Do watch my other videos which will be coming soon. Bye bye and take care.